In this video, I will show you hyperMILL's new strategy for Hale Machining. You can find this new job in the 2D milling section at the end of the list called Hale Machining. This brand new strategy offers a specialized machining process for component areas with high surface quality requirements. It is used, for example, to produce ceiling surfaces with a scratch-free finish. For certain applications, it can also be an economical alternative to conventional milling processes. This job is very similar to 2D contour milling. You select the required contours, define the top and bottom, and under strategy, you specify where the tool position should be. As mentioned earlier, all other settings are similar to those used in 2D contour milling. A special type of tool is available for this machining process. The tool and tool holder are defined in hyperMILL Tool Builder and must be created with the correct angle. In hyperMILL Virtual Machining, you can reliably simulate and check the entire process for collisions. This function is only available with virtual machining because the correct spindle alignment is required. Material removal takes place without active spindle speed. The spindle axis operates as a trailing axis, allowing the tool to be guided continuously and orthogonally along the contour. This results in perfect surfaces without machining marks across the ceiling direction. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.